Are you an aspiring tech entrepreneur looking to take your startup to new heights? Look no further, introducing Spiralation, the national level tech startup incubation and accelerator program for tech startups that has supported over 130 startups over a decade and counting. At Spiralation, which is powered by the ICTA agency of Sri Lanka, we understand the importance of proper mentoring and guidance for tech entrepreneurs around the country. That's why our 6-month program offers a wide range of services, including mentorship from industry experts, access to funding opportunities, and networking events to help you make valuable connections. Spiralation has invested over 125 million rupees and provided local and facilitated market access in numerous countries, both locally and internationally. Most importantly, Spiralation has achieved a high success rate of 90% across multiple years. Only startups in the tech industry are eligible to apply for a Spiralation program. We are privileged to have an expert pool of resource people, and with their support, we cover over a vast range of technical specializations such as EdTech, Agri-Tech, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, Virtual Reality, Blockchain, IoT, and much more. Whether your startup falls under one of these categories or several, our Spiralation Tech Startups program is designed to provide you with the mentorship and guidance you need to succeed. With our proven track record of success, we are confident that we can help turn your startup dreams into a reality. So don't wait any longer. Click the link below to apply to Spiralation and take the first step towards a brighter future for your business.